welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be reviewing this iPhone 13 Pro Max case by Janmitta. This is a very slim case with the black border and then the clear, translucent, anti-fingerprint back. And just taking a look at the case, you can see it's slightly raised there for the camera bump. You've got slightly raised corners. You can see it gets a little bit thicker around the corners to give you a little bit more protection around the corners, but then the sides are very, very, very thin to give you protection without adding a lot of bulk, and then just get slightly thicker in the corners to give you that protection. You've got your cutout for your lightning port, and you've just got the grill for your speakers, and then you've got your button covers and your cutout for your vibration button. So let's get the phone in the case. So let's get the phone in the Janmitta case so we can see exactly what it looks like in the case. And you can see you've got that frosted, translucent matte finish on the back. You can still see the color of the phone through it and the logo, but because of the matte finish, no fingerprints. You can see and touch all over the place, no fingerprints, which is great. You've got that raised lip there around the camera bump to protect the cameras, even if you lay it down flat. And you've got that raised lip on all the way around the front. You can see too, just slightly raised. So that'll protect your phone if you lay it down flat. The corners are slightly raised. You can kind of see how they kind of go up a little bit around the corner and get a little bit thicker around the corner to give you added extra protection around the corners there. And you have the power button here, easy access. Got your volume rockers, easy to get to. Vibration button, you can totally reach that. They do have an interesting design for the speakers. So you've got the cutout for your lightning port. The speakers, you can see they have the tiny holes mimicking the actual speakers themselves, and then they also have these tiny holes in the front to kind of guide the sound, not just out of the bottom, but to kind of also guide it through those front holes towards you as well. So that's an interesting choice for the sound design on this case. And yeah, it's hardback finish. The sides are TPU, kind of a medium soft, not super soft TPU, but nicely made. Definitely going to give your phone some very slim protection, not add a lot of bulk, but do a good job protecting your phone and keeping the back fingerprint free. So excellent case by Janmitta.